Takeoff flaps, landing flaps, takeoff flaps, flaps up.
You know, and they never gave you a break before.
All right, here we go.
Timer cleared. Gear up.
You know what, Brandon? I haven't flown it here with this fan.
Oh, nice. Which fan?
This is the FMS.
Oh, the same as my 22.
Yep.
Yours is way more balanced.
Well, I haven't hit any rocks like you have.
Exactly. Why, you should have heard how balanced I had it before I hit the rock. Yeah, super quiet.
Oh, it's so happy here. It's so much happier here.
Here comes one of the club officers.
Okay, stay away.
Watch this front way.
Yep. Stay out that way.
Is that WAD just...
That's the crosswind.
Yeah.
Time remaining.
I have it tuned for Livermore now. So the way it was before, it wouldn't bounce at all.
And because I've been using these batteries a lot, it's amazing how quiet it is.
Time
It
remaining
is. That's
1 minute.
really quiet. So you decided to do that, right? Yeah, I took a year off. Yeah,
Time remaining 42 seconds.
Yeah. Oh my God. Yeah, it's like work. It's not really work. Yeah. It's really bad. And uneven.
30 seconds.
All right, gear pass and landing.
Gear down.
Hey, buddy. Did you
9,
put the 6200 in
8.
here?
Yeah, that's in there.
7,
How
6,
long will your flight time
5.
be?
I'm landing at 3 minutes, but it could go a little more.
1. Time expired.
I like coming in with reserve.
You could get like a 5.
I probably could, but I like coming in with reserve on this.
Yeah, in case you got to do go around.
Braking.
Feels good to be back.
Yeah, but that one you better come in a little hotter.
Flaps up. Release.
I can use the brakes now.
Nice.
Remember before I never would touch them?
I didn't even know it had brakes.
Yeah, see,
Braking.
look,
Release.
Oh,
Braking.
air brakes.
Release.
Yeah.
See that?
Braking. Release.
All right, now after the first flight, I feel good.
I bet you it's 40% battery.
I barely used any.
35-40%.
Yeah, I barely used any. Because this, but this pack has a higher discharge, so the fan is way happier. I can get a lot more power out of it.